Hi you guys! So today we're going to be doing a fun video where we're going to be sharing some beauty tips that you may or may not know, and they may change your life.
They're beauty secrets. Not a lot of people know about these, and I think Anya and I have learned these throughout the years of doing camera work or just being obsessive beauty people.
For sure.
And we might blow your mind on a few, and you might be like, I already knew.
Totally knew that. But it's okay. You can share it with your friends too.
Yes, and for the giveaway for this video, you guys, we're going to be giving away a beauty skincare item, a face moisturizer, which is a freaking amazing one.
Cool.
So let's get to it.
The first beauty tip or trick is something that I actually learned from Madonna's esthetician, and it's something that Madonna has done for like literally the last 30 years. You take a giant bowl of water and you fill it with ice, so it's like super cold ice water, and you dunk your face into it, and it's supposed to be amazing for your skin. Madonna can keep her face in there for 60 seconds. You're probably gonna have to work your way up to that.
It's funny because when you mentioned that, I'm like, oh my god, I've seen back in the day, I think it was Oprah or someone, one of those TV hosts, do a segment with a guy that was 55 years old that I swear he looked like he was 25 years old, and he gave his secret, and he said every single morning he puts ice in the bowl with water and dunks his face. I tried to do it for about one day. I didn't last because in the mornings I'm just like,
it's a hard routine to keep up with, but it'll definitely keep you alert for the morning.
It helps a lot. So that goes with not taking hot showers. I know girls are notorious for hot showers. It's not good for your skin.
Number 2, natural oils for a healthy glow. Jojoba oil is really, really amazing for your skin.
Avocado oil.
Avocado oil is really amazing. There's so many natural oils. Sweet almond oil, that's really, really good for like that super healthy glow, so you don't have to spend a lot of money on moisturizers.
And as you guys know, we do all these DIYs with all natural oils. So there's a reason they're in there. That's where products are born, basically.
Number 3, exfoliate. It gets rid of all of your dead skin cells, and if it's getting rid of all of your dead skin cells, your skin is making like basically new skin, and you're gonna look like a little baby, like healthy baby skin.
You want baby skin. And exfoliate all over, you guys. It's not about just your face. We make all those scrubs for DIYs. You could refer back to them. They help get rid of dead skin on your body, and you end up looking more glowy versus like dead and dull. Number 4, tea bags for under eyes.
Yeah, you told me about this.
So basically, all you need to do is boil water, and the tea bags. That's what you need, not the tea. You use the tea bags. You get the tea bags, put it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes, and take it out and put it under your eyes. And those the bags under your eyes will be gone.
Any specific type of tea?
Green tea or black tea.
Cool. Just make sure it's fully cooled off before you put it on your eyes.
Yes.
You guys.
Warning.
Number 5 tip: preparation H for underneath your eyes.
I love this fun fact that you have for this.
This is really great for puffy eyes, for tired eyes if you haven't slept all night. Supermodels do this trick
long trick
all
for
the
supermodels,
time.
TV hosts.
And it really gets rid of like any type of inflammation, and it really makes you look super fresh. And Nora loves this tip. A little fun fact is that preparation H is actually the most shoplifted item because people are embarrassed to buy it.
Because it's hemorrhoid medication.
Yeah.
There's a lot of models buying preparation H.
So don't be embarrassed to buy it.
I know this sounds stupid, but drink a lot of water, okay? Because it's not only about being hydrated inside, it's about being hydrated on the outside. And when you drink water, you look better, you have a different kind of glow, and it's just really, really good for you on the inside and out.
Love it.
8 glasses a day.
Number 7 is Vaseline. Nora told me about this, so I'll let her tell you guys about it too.
So Vaseline, you guys, Vaseline on the teeth. You add a thin layer on your teeth, and it not only gives you a whiter look, but it's not only about whitening your teeth. It's basically, it adds a protective like shield,
like a layer,
to your teeth where if you're drinking coffee or wine. So it's a good thing to use early in the morning or when you're going out to dinner and you're gonna have wine, and it doesn't stain your teeth.
And a lot of beauty queens use it to keep the smile nice and big. Okay, so this is a really cool beauty tip trick that I learned. You should always shave your legs or your underarms, whatever it is, last, because the warm water that you're just naturally getting from the shower is softening your skin. So if you shave last, your skin is softer and you get less razor bumps.
That's very interesting.
Right?
Fun fact, yeah.
So cool.
This is a fun tip I learned from an older cousin of mine, and what she used to do every night before going to bed, if I used to have sleepovers and, you know, I idolize my older cousin, she used to lather her feet after the shower, lather her feet in moisturizer and wear her socks.
Okay.
So like it was literally just bunch of moisturizer, and she would wake up with the softest feet. And you know, like when you go to get a pedicure or anything, they're just like scrubbing on there. And
especially in the summertime when you're wearing sandals and stuff.
Yeah, it gets really dry, like the heels, and you don't need to do any of that. It won't, like, it will be you will have the softest feet if you listen to me and wear socks and moisturize.
I'm gonna do that tonight.
All right. Aside from the feet, another trick is the hands, you guys. So basically, anytime you're gonna do dishes, before you do the dishes, have moisturizer on your counter and apply moisturizer on your hands. Wear the gloves, because you should be wearing gloves while doing dishes. And it keeps your hands super moisturized.
I need to start doing that. I'm getting rough skin from like washing my hands and from like dishes.
When you get older, like that's where you could tell at age, because you could get as much Botox as you want. If your hands look old,
your
they
age
look
from your
old.
hands. It's so true. Our last fun beauty tip trick is that you should be using different face washes for nighttime and for daytime.
Very true.
I usually love like gel type of face washes, and I feel like it really gets everything out. But Nora told me that in the mornings.
So for nighttime, you're supposed to use the heavier duty face wash because like you've been out all day, you might have makeup on, your skin is just basically dirtier. So you use the gel base to remove all of that dirt, and during the daytime, since your face is clean, you're waking up with a clean face, you should use a milkier one. So it basically keeps your skin feeling soft throughout the entire day. And
it like maintains that moisture.
And it maintains that moisture, exactly.
Good to know.
All right, you guys, those were our 10 beauty secrets. You might have known some, you might have learned some things.
And if we didn't know any, leave us some comments below in order to win our giveaway.
Yes, if we missed any beauty secrets that you know of, that your mom, your grandma has taught you, leave it below, share it with everyone, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.